This is the blonde frontal I'm going to be using. Since I'm only dyeing the sides, I parted it into 3 sections. The 2 dyes I'm using is Black Velvet and Honey Brown. I put those 2 together so the black wouldn't be too black. So now I'm going to mix those 2 together and start the application. Here is my baby hair toothbrush, and I'm just going to start by sectioning off in little bitty sections and just put a little bit of the dye onto the baby hair toothbrush and start at the roots. So I finished one side, and now I'm going to start on the other side, making small parts, putting the dye underneath and on top at the roots, and just keep going up until I get to the part where I want to stop. So going a step further, I'm going to start parting a little bit diagonally and putting a little dye in those sections as well, just to make sure all of the spaces are covered. Now I'm going to repeat that step on the next side. Now I'm going to pour my hot water into my bowl and mix the dye and start to dip. To make sure that the hair is completely saturated, I'm just going to dip it in, dip it out, dip it in, dip it out. So this is the outcome. I like the way it looks. There I go. I'm going to take this off so you guys can see it. As you can see, my ball cap is already done, and I left a little hair out the back, made it a ponytail. So now I'm just going to unwrap my head. Okay, I had to tie it down because I was not trying to mess it up. I didn't want the parts to get messed up. I didn't want nothing to go wrong, y'all. So this is how it's supposed to look. Oh my God, y'all. That's why I'm not showing you, because it was a fail. When I sewed down my frontal, I sewed it down too far back. And when I got ready to put the Melt Me Down spray on it, why did I glue the lace to my forehead? Oh my God, it was not pulled down far enough. I looked like a cone head. So now the style that I was going to wear, I can't wear. I have to do a swoop just to cover up the all the wrong part. Now I'm trying to add some hair in it to cover it up so y'all can't see it. Hopefully it turns out well. But anyway, what I'm doing now is I'm making small parts going towards my swoop, and I'm taking the back end of my hot comb to flatten the hair. I have my holding spray here. I'm going to start combing my hair in the direction that I want my swoop. Spray a little holding spray, and then put a little heat to it to kind of like mold it in that direction. And then I'm just going to do another part, put a more holding spray, more heat until I'm all the way done. Now I'm done, and I tied my swoop down and I have it back in a ponytail. So this is what I did with the hair. I tried to be creative to be as different as possible, so I took little pieces of each bundle and just sewed it together, double weft. Now I'm just going to start wrapping this around my ponytail to see what I come up with. You don't have to do this. You can just do all black, you can do all blonde, or you can take both wefts and put them together. I was just trying to do something different just to see how it would look, and this is how it turned out. Since I'm at the end, I'm going to take a nice chunk of the last piece of hair, comb it out, spray it with holding spray, and wrap it around the top portion of the ponytail to seal it in. That way I won't have to use a ponytail holder or anything like that to try to finish it off. This will be a real clean, neat close. Spray a little holding spray, a little oil sheen on it. Now I'm going to take my makeup and try to conceal this lace a little bit better. It didn't come out too bad. It could be a lot worse. Y'all, in the comments, tell me what you think. I know I messed up, but did I still kind of pull it off? Do it still look okay? Or what do you think I should have done to solve this problem? I couldn't take it off because I just put the spray on. That shit was glued down so tight to my head. I would have been in surgery trying to pull that shit off. Hey, bounce, baby, bounce, baby. So I put some rubber bands around the ponytail like this, and this is how it came out. This is the side swoop part. This is the baby hair part. This kicked my ass.